In this video, I'm going to show you how to test the EMFs in the infrared sauna, and I'm going to give you some ideas to hopefully have a low EMF sauna for yourself. Now, these saunas are near infrared saunas, and they were custom made with teak wood and the traditional red bulbs. So this is something that you could create in your community with the help of a carpenter and an electrician. So let's look at the EMF meters that I use to test a sauna. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the radio frequency meter. Now, a sauna is not going to create any radio frequency, but what you want to do is make sure you have your sauna located in a low RF environment, which this is here. Now, the next meter is a Gauss meter, and this measures magnetic fields. You can see that we're pretty low here, around 0.05 milligauss, and this is ideal. Now, the next meter I use is an AM radio. And what this does, when you're turned over to 530 kilohertz on the AM dial, it will measure the EMI on your wiring, and you can see if there's any major problems. So you want to just normally have the white static, and if there's a problem, you're going to get a lot more static and a different noise. So we don't necessarily have this here, so this is a pretty good environment. Now, the final meter I use is an electric field meter. And you can see we're at about 70 volts per meter. Now, this is much higher than you'd want to be exposed to all the time. When you sleep, I like to have it below 1 volt per meter. But we're in a sauna and there's an electrified hot wire here. So there's going to be electric fields. That's just something you're going to have unless you use shielded wiring, which if I was to build my own, that's exactly what I would do. So let's turn on the bulbs and let's see if anything changes. So obviously the radio frequency hasn't changed, and the magnetic fields haven't changed. The EMI from the AM radio hasn't changed, and the electric fields have actually gone down a little bit. And you'll see if we move farther away from the bulbs and the electrified wire, the electric fields go down. So another solution is to sit farther away from the bulbs. So this is how I test an infrared sauna for EMFs, and it's something that you can do for any sauna that you want to test. And these are very healthy for us as far as detox goes. So hopefully this will help you to find a low EMF sauna for your home.